So let's go ahead and make our first card. I'm going to use my Misty stamping tool. This is a stamp I've had in my stash for a long time. You know I am all about use what you have on the channel, but I'm going to do some multi-inking here, and that's why I'm using my Misty stamping tool, because I get perfect impressions every time. So I went ahead and stamped 2 different color greens on the first card, and now I'm going to do it again on the second card. These are peonies, by the way, in case you're wondering. I love peonies. They're so pretty. I'm really getting into flowers lately. And I'm gonna sprinkle on some clear, super fine embossing powder. Now I'll go ahead and heat set it, and that's just gonna melt the color in place. And once your heat tool gets good and warmed up, you can heat as fast as that. The key is to let your heat tool heat up, and then it'll melt the embossing powder evenly throughout your card. Now I gotta do a sentiment here. So I don't have any color cardstock that matches, so I'm just gonna create my own with the ink colors that I used on the card. All right, this is a stamp set from Concord and Ninth. It is called More to Say. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite glue of all time, Barely Art Glue, and I'm gonna make my own little sentiments here. So you just glue them on. I like liquid glue because you can kind of move it around and get it in place before it dries. So I'm going to pop this sentiment up with some foam tape. The other one I just glued down flat. And check this out, 2 fall cards.